After finishing first sum and second sum, we need to come across to the third sum. First sum we have seen the left hand rule. Second sum we have saw a right hand rule. In third sum we are going to see midpoint rule. Very easy. What is midpoint formula? We know the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2. This is a midpoint formula. Using this we are going to find this value for 2 minus x into tx limit 1 to 1.5. The same procedure we are going to divide the intervals. This is lower limit 1, upper limit 1.5. Next they given the partition. Partition is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. First interval, second interval, third interval, fourth interval and fifth interval. This is x0. What is x0? 1. x1 is 1.1. x2 is 1.2. x3 1.3. x4 1.4. x5 1.5. Let's consider. Let f of x is equal to 2 minus x. Lower limit a is 1. Lower limit a is 1. Upper limit b 1.5. Number of partitions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Width h is equal to delta x is equal to b minus a by n. b is 1.5 minus a is 1, n is 5. The same answer. 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5 by 5. Answer is 0.1. Next, the formula S is equal to, what is the formula we need to use? As a midpoint rule. What is the midpoint? Nothing but f of x0 plus x1 by 2. x0 plus x1 by 2. Midpoint x0 plus x1 by 2 plus f of x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2. Next, f of x2 plus x3 by 2. x2 plus x3 by 2 plus f of x3 plus x4 by 2. x3 plus x4 by 2 plus f of x4 plus x5 by 2. x4 plus x5 by 2. Close the bracket. Delta x. This is midpoint formula. Next, S is equal to, open the bracket, f of, what is x0 and x1? x0 is 1, x1 is 1.1 by 2 plus f of x1 is 1.1, x2 is 1.2 divided by 2 plus f is x2 and x3. x2 is 1.2, 1.2 plus 1.3 by 2. f of 1.3 plus 1.4 by 2. f of 1.4 plus 1.5 by 2. Delta x is 0.1. This is a multiplication. S is equal to, open the bracket, f of 1 plus 1.1, 1 plus 1, 2.1 by 2 plus f of 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2.3 by 2. f of 1 plus 1, 2, 2.5 by 2 plus f of 2.7 by 2 plus f of 2.9 by 2. Close the bracket, multiply with 0.1. S is equal to f of 2.1 by 2. What is 2.1? We can write 2.1 divided by 2. 2 to cancel, answer is 1. 1 point. You can place 0, 1 0, nothing but point, no. 0 if I want to put, I need to put 0.5. 1.05 plus f of 2.3 divided by 2. 2 gets cancelled, nothing but 1 point. This is 3 0. We can take it as 15. Here f of, you can say 1.25 if I divide. f of 1.35, f of 1.45, multiply with 0.1. S is equal to, now only the calculation, the main calculation starts now. F of 1.5, f of 1.5, we know f of x is equal to 2 minus x, f of x is equal to 2 minus x, f of 1.5, f of 1.5 is nothing but 2 minus 1.5, 2 minus 1.05 plus, I think you can easily understand. If you want, I can ready to put here. What is f of x? F of x is nothing but 2 minus x, f of 1.05, f of 1.05, you can write as, in place of x I need to apply 1.05, 2 minus what is x? 1.05. If I again apply 1.15, in place of x apply 1.15, so 2 write as it is minus 1.15. So f of 1.15, 2 minus 1.15, the same, 2 minus 1.25 plus 2 minus 1.35, 2 minus 1.45 into 0.1. For this one, 2 minus 1.45, 2 minus 1.15, 2 minus 1.25, 2 minus 1.35, 2 minus 1.45 into 0.1. S equal to 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 minus, I need to do here, minus 1.05, minus 1.15, minus 1.25, minus 1.35, minus 1.45. So put minus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 5, carry over 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, carry over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.25 multiply with 0.1, 10, 0, 0, 6.25, this will become 10, this will become 9, this will become 9 and 0, 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 6 3, 3.75, S is equal to 3.75 multiply with 0.1. So S is equal to 0.375. If it's multiply 0.1, one decimal move towards the left hand side, 0.375 is the required answer for this sum. So from this we have finished all the sums in this exercise. If you are going to see the example, they are not given the partition. They are not given the partition. You need to separate a partition. You need to separate a partition, and you can put the solve. You can put the only one sum in the example. They given the same sum. They given the left hand, right hand, and midpoint. For example, they given 0 to 0.5. How can partition 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0? This is a partition. You can easily 0.4 and 0.5. We can partition 5 ways. They given, they divide into 5 sub-intervals. So partition can be done yourself very easily, and do the sum, example sum. Thank you.